Hi, and welcome back to another episode of India Roundup. My name is Paloma Quadras with the top business news headlines for this week. Vodafone Idea rebrands in fight for India's telecom market share. Vodafone India, a joint venture between Britain's Vodafone Group and India's Idea Cellular, said it will go by the brand name Vi. Vodafone's Chief Executive Officer Nick Reed said, Vi's focus will be to deliver a superior network experience, better customer service, and leading products and services. The telecom carriers in the country have already raised some subscription tariffs as they look for ways to pay down government levies. Softbank partners with India's Oyo. Softbank, the biggest investor in Oyo, would use part of its $5 billion Latin America fund to invest in the newly formed company called Oyo Latam, which will take over 1,000 hotels mainly in Brazil and Mexico. The move comes as Oyo has been forced to cut costs and rein in expansion strategy in global markets by reducing its hotel footprint and laying off employees after revenues took a hit from the coronavirus pandemic. Foreign investors pour into India's stock despite sinking economy. The foreign investors are betting on a recovery as international buyers plowed $6 billion into shares. The thought is that Indian equities will play catch-up after trailing the region's benchmark so far in 2020. Helping foreign buyers look past the grim GDP data is the improvement in business activity from July after the lockdown curbs were eased.
When business is on your mind, you are on our mind. Sarovar Hotels and Resorts.
And now for some top headlines in brief. Tata Consumer is now the third most valued Tata company after Tata Consultancy Services and Titan. The company is trying to strengthen its feet in the pulses and spices category with its brand Tata Sampann, as there is a rise in home cooking. This segment has a higher share of unbranded and unorganized players in India. Airtel unveils unlimited broadband plan in a step to fight back at Reliance Jio. Airtel is offering unlimited high-speed data up to 3,500 GB per month, free calls and zero-cost Android TV box at plans beginning from Rs 499. BSNL leads the category at 8 million users and Airtel has around 2.4 million wired broadband customers. Softbank eyes TikTok India operations. The Japanese conglomerate Softbank is looking for India partners to place a bid for the popular video sharing platform TikTok. The Softbank company led by Masayoshi Son is also interested in the US business of TikTok. Shift of garment companies from China to India. A number of international brands are testing the waters in Indian markets by increasing their garment orders. If India is able to pass this litmus test, it will open the gates for more global brands to increase their India sourcing. Some support will be needed from the government in terms of finance and infrastructure, those in the apparel markets have said. Government plans new development bank for big infra funding. After years, the government is veering towards setting up a new development finance institution, essentially to fill the gap in long-term finance for infrastructure sectors. A top government official has said that discussions have been held at the highest level over the last couple of months. The two options being discussed are whether it should be promoted by government or it should be given a private sector character with government restricting its holding to 49%. Thanks for watching. Do give us a like and watch our other programs of India Roundup. Till we meet again next week, stay safe and take care.